Hello. I'm Alex, and I work as a rotating equipment technician here at one of the largest oil refineries. Today, I'll give you a glimpse into what my job entails, especially during our shutdown maintenance periods. Rotating equipment is the heart of our operations. They include turbines, compressors, pumps, and gearboxes. These machines are crucial for the movement of fluids and gases through our processes. Shutdown maintenance is a critical time for us. It's when we perform all our major inspections, repairs, and upgrades. Safety and precision are our top priorities. Before we begin any work, we ensure all safety protocols are in place. We isolate and de-energize the equipment. Lockout and tug-out procedures are strictly followed to ensure that no equipment can be accidentally started. We also continuously monitor for any hazardous gas leaks and always wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, which includes gloves, safety glasses, ear protection, and hard hats. During a shutdown, we dismantle the equipment to inspect internal components like bearings, shafts, and seals. We look for wear and tear, corrosion, and other potential failures. We replace any damaged parts, perform necessary alignments, and then test the equipment to ensure everything runs smoothly before bringing it back online. Documentation is key. We maintain detailed records of all inspections and repairs to help predict future maintenance needs and ensure reliability. Our work is challenging, but it's crucial for the safety and efficiency of the refinery. Every day is different, and I take pride in knowing that my role has a direct impact on keeping our energy flowing safely and efficiently. Stay safe, stay efficient.